Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send money to hosts on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do is to go to the resolution center. To do so, all you need to do is to add in the URL /resolution center. So after you do that, as you can see, all you need to write or type is resolutions, and basically it will take you to the resolution, and from here you can send or request money for extra services or refund, and you can do it with your host. So basically, if you want to send money to your host with all the security and respecting the Airbnb policies, all you need to do is to do it in the resolution center. So we'll click send money, and then you will choose for your travel, and then you will add the travel that is related to, and of course then you will add the other informations. So basically I am already canceled these trips, that's why I can't send the money for this listing. So basically this is how you can do this. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.